Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about chickens. First, before I do that, I'd like to remind everybody, if you haven't had a chance, please go ahead and subscribe. Click the button right down there, the little red button, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. So chickens. Now I realize not everyone can grow chickens because of city ordinances or living in an apartment, whatever it is. Not everybody can. For those that can, you might want to look into the possibility of having some chickens. The way the price of eggs are going up, if you get several chickens and you're producing more eggs than what you're using, probably a lot of neighbors that will buy them from you to help offset the cost of the feed. Also, besides if you have just Besides, if you don't have just laying hens, if you have some meat chickens, some of those varieties of meat chickens get pretty daggone big. I know my daughter had some, and they bought them in the spring and in the fall when they harvest them. Some of them were as big as small turkeys you buy in the store. So, you get the right type of chicken, you can have good meat birds, and you can also have good eggs as well. So think about it, see if it's in your ability to do, and if it is, get some chickens. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't do anything foolish, and keep on prepping and adding to your preps, all right? And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.